out to all my viewers. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today's New Year. So today I am going to make a recipe, fish. And this is, you can see, cauliflower. And the fish I will show you now. And some potatoes also I will put. Friends, I hope you all will like this recipe. So when I start the recipe making, I will show you what all I am going to use. Friends, this is the fish. This is 1.5 kilo fish. This and the cauliflower, potato, all this I am going to mix. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, comment, share. Friends, for the masalas I am going to use, this is green chili. Put it in the jar. This is the garlic. This also I will put in. I am going to grind all this. This is the mustard, black and yellow mustard. This is the jeera. This also I am putting. And I will use 1 onion. Prep the fish, you can see. Now I'll fry the cauliflower and the potato. This is the cauliflower and the potato. All together I will fry. I will fry this and then make the curry. Friends, now in this oil, I will make the curry. This is the jeera which I have taken. This I will put in. And this is the bay leaves. Stir this well. Now put in the onion. Tomato. Let the onion fry now. Friends, the onions have gone brown. You can see. Now I will put the turmeric powder. The masala which I made into paste, this I will put in. Then now I will put in the chili powder, red chili powder. I will let the masalas brown now. See, now I will put in the fried cauliflower and potato. I will put in the turmeric powder also. The salt. This is the peas, green peas. This also I will put in. I will put in the tomatoes also. Now I will add some water. Friends, I have added the water. You can see. Now I'll let this cook, and then last of all I will put in the fish. Cover it up and let it cook. Friends, the cauliflower and the potatoes are cooked up. Now I will put in the fish. This is the dhania patti. This also I will put in. Now I will cover this and let it bubble for 2 minutes. Friends, the fish curry is ready with potato and cauliflower. Thanks for watching my video.